Hi everyone, I'm Alana Layton, Senior Cloud Technologist here at AWS.
And I'm Raf Lopez, also a Senior Cloud Technologist.
We're here to tell you about an exciting new series called DevOps on AWS.
This series will be made up of 3 courses based on the steps of a DevOps process. The first 3 steps, code, build, and test, will be covered in the first course. The next 2 steps, release and deploy, will be covered in the second course. And then finally, our third course of the series will cover the final steps, operate and monitor.
Let's go through each of these courses and talk a bit about what you should expect. Raf, what are some of the topics that will be covered in the first course?
In the first course, we will start talking about the DevOps culture and then get into some of the tools and practices, such as source control and how to successfully build your code. Then we will focus on introducing testing to ensure the code works. We will finish up the course talking about how to automate this continuous integration process by building and testing your code on every commit.
It's going to be really fun. And the fun continues in the second course of the series, where we build off of a lot of the information discussed in the first course. In the second course, the big topics are continuous delivery and automation. We'll talk about how to automate the deployment of your code, and then how to automate the provisioning of your environments, as well as the provisioning of your pipeline by using infrastructure as code.
And then we wrap up the series with the third course, Operate and Monitor, where we talk about the importance of monitoring and how to better monitor your application, network, and even your CI/CD pipeline. We'll bring up some tricky infrastructure management issues that you may run into and talk about how you can best solve them.
Along the way, there will be quizzes, readings, and hands-on exercises to help make sure you're on the right track.
Please join us for the DevOps on AWS series.
And as we say at Amazon,
Work hard, have fun, and make history. See you there!